Greeting to you all my wonderful people across the world. A very quick one day, as we make the maito, we make on the ojo one night. We Tuesday how making Sobeya. Now to the executive governor of Enugu State, His Excellency Peter Ndubisimba, the 001 of Enugu State, the current governor of Enugu State, have done it again. In the whole Nigeria, it's official now that now on Enugu can they produce smart TV, smartphone, smart power bank, and smart everything smartable. So a hand of applause to the governor of Enugu State. Now, these kind of things we need to be seen across 36 states in Nigeria. Now this kind of things kind of drain across 5 states of Igbo, coming to Enugu, Anambra, Ebonyi states, Abia states. You understand? All these states, if now we find a drain for employment, industries that will be enabling our people that study tech. You understand? That is we in the Gosharishin tech today. But they don't see anyway. There's no company that is going to employ them. But Peter and Ndubisimba have done it small. Okay, now at least some of them they buy go channel tech, some of them they buy go channel school, how to produce phone, how to produce smart TV, smart television, you understand, smart power bank, smart everything smartable. Now there will still work to be working. As you can see, watching in this screen, if we bought men on oro, and now phone, now charger, now TV, now fridge, all in Enugu State. So, as it stands now the whole 36 states in Nigeria, so the Enugu State can produce smartphone, smart TV, smart television, smart power bank. Officially, all China will imports. Now, and manufacture the Enugu State. So, this is my own, and this thing extend to other governors. I beg, Mona look down. Madam, if I may afford, if I get tech, this kind of company in our streets, in our this thing. I made a school to do with or a woman named that canteen over the Oyegucha school to do with certificates. I got to the nearest company. Or a sap. Okay, now what it's a very shameful thing that I'm at school in this 21st century. I buy Ojebe or certificates. I did Gakuro Coco that you or Mamiju or Bebe Breko with Oro. No free way that there wouldn't any tangible factory in his community that is capable to employ 10 to 15 people. And then ask yourself this question: how do you get the chalky way with all? That is my question to you. But now, the executive governor in Enugu State have done it. I'm expecting other governors to do what? To follow the footsteps of Governor Ndubisimba to do what? To employ these things in their various states. May I as in who be not only this kind of company, many companies that because after we make sports this thing best Nigeria, I don't want to talk. So mgbe fuzi nke imepere na obi ọma akpa mbiko na ebubetere na company. You understand? I have kakari go. We need more factory.